Um, this is the speaking test of International English Language Testing System taking place on Tuesday, 4th March at IELTS Base Camp, and the center number is IBC007, and the candidate is Shravani, and the candidate number is 2301001, and the examiner is Kanis Fatima, and examiner number 433816. Good afternoon. My name is Kanis Fatima, and can you please tell me your full name?
Yes, of course. My full name is 𝐁𝐚𝐬𝐜, but you can call me by my last name, Shravani.
Now, I like to ask you some question about a topic, and our topic is friends. And my first question is to you: why do some people lose contact with their childhood friends?
Most people lose contact with their childhood friend because of moving around city, or or most of the cases that we are shifting our houses and also our places, and that's the reason most of the time people get lose contact with their childhood friends.
Okay, my next question is to you: how do people in your country make friends these days?
People in my country nowadays make friends through online social media like Facebook, Instagram, because it's very easy to find anyone on social media rather than interaction on social media is the most common thing to get friendship with each other.
Why is it hard to maintain friendship?
There can be several reasons for her to maintain a good friendship, because most of the time nowadays people are get very busy for their work or study. So that's the reason to get communicate with others is tough, difficult nowadays, and sometimes people get jealous with another person whenever they are get top on their success, and that's the thing I think mostly people it's very hard to maintain a good friendship nowadays.
Okay, thank you, Shravani. This is our ending of the speaking test.
You're most welcome.